It's no mystery what the difference is between a love that lasts and one that's caving in. It takes more than a feeling if you want to survive in a world that blurs the lines between wrong and right. Trades true love for a compromise. Oh, I want to finish the life we've started. I want to be two old beautiful souls who stayed with it. And in those times our feelings fade, I'm gonna give you the one thing that makes all the difference: commitment. Some people say you shouldn't have to change, that somebody should love me exactly the way I am. And maybe it's true, but I'll do whatever it takes to help you realize that I'm in for life, to lift you up and lay down my pride. Oh yeah, 'cause I wanna finish the life we've started. I wanna be two old beautiful souls who stayed with it. And in those times our feelings fade, I'm gonna give you the one thing that makes all the difference. You have my commitment. I'm with you through any kind of weather. I'm with you, sunny days or disaster. I still do, and it's never gonna matter what we're going through, 'cause we're in this together. And I wanna finish the way we started. Just two broken souls clinging on to Jesus. We've seen his faithfulness and grace, and I wanna love you that way. Oh, I wanna finish